Hello there, and welcome to another Great Neck Library digital transmission. I'm Chris Van Wickler, the Emerging Technologies Librarian at Great Neck Library, and I've got a really fun lesson for anyone of any ages, but I have a feeling especially younger folks, little kids, they're going to really enjoy what you can do here. We're going to take a coloring book image and make it into an augmented reality object. Very cool, really a lot of fun, and quite simple. We're going to need some technology, and you can't use any coloring page. We're restricted to a few of them, but being stuck at home, not having much to do, I think you can find some cool things to do with this. So you're going to bring up an internet browser to get started, and we're going to be looking for a program called Quiver. So you can just go in and type in Quiver into your major internet browser, and it will load up just like this when you get into the page. So you're looking for specifically Quiver Vision. From Quiver Vision, it's kind of showing you what they do, how it works. The augmented reality technology, or the AR that they are using, is going to actually transform how you color in one of their sketch pages or their coloring pages. It's going to transform that into an actual moving object. I think this is really cool. If you've never tried it before, it's a lot of fun for all ages, but it's got a lot of potential here. So when you're on this page, certainly this is going to give you some guides to what you'll need to download onto a phone. But we're going to start with our coloring pack. So you come into Home, you can go into Coloring Packs, and we're going to find an image or a sheet that we would like to color. Now, there are different levels of Quiver. They basically have one for home, education, fashion, masks, and you could buy the different coloring packs for those. But we're going to stay in the standard Quiver one. Feel free to explore if you'd like. Under standard Quiver, it's actually really easy now to tell what is free and what actually you have to pay for. If you want to pay for a coloring pack, by all means go for it, but there's a bunch of free ones that you can play with. So you can go on in here, you can find just about anything that you're looking for, and what you do is you find the one that you want. I believe the one that I am looking for here, I thought would be the coolest, is this intertwine. And if you click on it, it'll load up with a sample of what we're looking for. And here I've got a beautiful macaw. So we're going to be working on a parrot today. Again, if you don't like that, you just can scroll back down with your mouse and find other designs and objects that you'd like. But if you find the coloring page that you want, it says free. All you have to do is click on Download Page. It'll open up in a new window with a PDF, which you can save to your computer, or you can print out. Okay, so you would click on the print button, and then once it loads, you go ahead and hit print. We're going to jump over. I actually found some screen recording software for my phone, so we're going to jump over to my phone view, and we're going to do some recording. So my face is going to disappear at this point, and you're just going to hear my audio, but you'll be able to follow along. I'll see you over there. Okay, so to get Quiver, what you need to do is download it from your App Store. So I'm going to go into Google Play Store since I'm on a Samsung device, but if you are on an Apple device, you can very simply go to your App Store. Come on up here and go Quiver, and you can search for it. You then want to install the app Quiver 3D Coloring. Hit install. Now, once the app is installed, you are going to have to download each coloring pack that you're using. Since we're using the free ones, there's no charge, but you will have to wait for it to download. we can click on Quiver and the app will begin to load. You need to allow it to have access to everything. Okay, and once you've downloaded Quiver, you should have a page that looks exactly like this. Since we have a page already, what I can do is click on the butterfly icon right here at the bottom of the screen. And that's going to tell me that, oh, it's augmented reality, be very careful. I'm going to click on don't show this again. I know to be aware of my surroundings and to always use this with parental supervision to make sure everyone is safe. So I'm going to hit continue. It's going to load up a camera, and once you have that camera, what you are going to want to do is bring your picture into view. Here's our parrot, and it says we need to download this. We're going to click download. Now it will continue to download even if you move the screen away. It will continue to download, but it might disappear. And within a few seconds, your page should be ready if you bring it back. Okay, so now that our page is downloaded, we'll put it over the parrot, and it'll tell you to make sure you can see the whole page. So we're just going to pull the camera or the phone up a little bit until... And just like that, our drawing became an augmented reality parrot, sitting right there, feeding another cute, adorable parrot. It's pretty cool, right? Now, I had used a reference point, so this looks a lot like a regular parrot, but you can kind of tell that it's colored. It's got the colors there. And if you don't really fully believe me, you can click on the color icon on the right-hand side of your screen, and that will change the parrot to the augmented, and you can click it back to go back to your colors. I think that's really, really cool. Almost looks feathery, the way that we colored it in with the colored pencils. Now, if you don't believe me that this is actually my coloring image, what I've done is I've created another one off camera, this one with a lot of ridiculous colors, and we'll make this one come to life. Scan the page, boom, there it is. And now totally different colors. You can see the orange and the green, and even this one had two different colored wings because I wanted them to stand out. So you can see the totally different colors. Okay, well, I hope you guys had a great time with Quiver today. Thanks for joining me. Have fun, enjoy coloring, and till I see you again. Also, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. Bye-bye.